यूट्यूब चैनल वन पेपर जॉब्स में आप सबको खुशामदीद कहते हैं। इस वीडियो में एवरीडे साइंस के हवाले से आपसे इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन शेयर करेंगे। एवरीडे साइंस के जो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं। इस लिस्ट में क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ लीवर इज़ काज्ड बाय ऑप्शन बी हेपेटाइटिस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट इज़ द टाइम टेकन बाय मून लाइट टू रीच अर्थ? ऑप्शन सी 1.3 सेकेंड। Question number 3, what is the speed of sound in the air? Right option is option B 1235 km per hour. Question number 4, what is the percentage of water present in our brain? Right option is C 73% water in our brain. Question number 5, dengue fever is caused by which of the female mosquito? Right option is option A Aedes aegypti. Question number 6, metacarpal bones are located in which part of the body? Option C hand. Next, question number 7, the most abundant element in the earth crust is? Option B oxygen is most abundant element in the earth crust. Question number 8, after fertilization a fruit develops from which part of the plant? Right option is option C ovary. Question number 9, diameter of Jupiter is dash times more than the diameter of Earth. Right option is option B 11 times. Question number 10, the gas commonly known as laughing gas is called? Option C nitrous oxide is called laughing gas. Question number 11, which gas is responsible for global warming? Right option is option A carbon dioxide is responsible for global warming. Next question number 12, boiling of egg is dash change. Option B it is chemical change. Boiling of egg is a chemical change. Next, question number 13, who represented the theory of evolution? Right answer is answer C Charles Darwin represented the theory of evolution. Question number 14, what is the working principle of washing machine? Right option is A centrifugation. Question number 15, another name of vitamin C is? Option A ascorbic acid is another name of vitamin C. Question number 16, the device which converts solar energy into electrical energy is called? Right option is option C solar cell. Question number 17, which is used as moderator in atomic reactors? Right option is option C heavy water is used as moderator in atomic reactors. Question 18, in eye donation which part of eye is used? Option B cornea. Question 19, which of the following blood vessel carry blood from body to heart? Right option is A veins and arteries is used for blood from heart to body. Question number 20, which vitamin is provided by sunlight to the human body? Option A is right, vitamin D is provided by sun to the human body. Next, question number 21 is what is H5N1? It is a virus. Option A virus. Question number 22, the structure in a cell which contains the gene is called? Option B, right answer is B chromosome. Question number 23, food is mainly digested in? Right answer is A small intestine. Question number 24, the part of eye that allow us to focus on different things is called? Right option is option B lens. Question number 25, which part of body regulates the body temperature? Option B hypothalamus is right answer. Question number 26, deficiency of vitamin A results in? Option B night blindness is caused by deficiency of vitamin A. Question number 27, crude oil is heated in the furnace up to? Right option is option C, 400 centigrade. Question number 28. Which device is used to record the intensity and source of earthquakes? Right option is option A, seismograph. Question number 29. The device which is used to measure very low temperature of objects is called, option B is right answer, cryometer. Question number 30. Typhoid is a disease of. Right option is option A, typhoid is a disease of intestine. More general information is available on our YouTube channel One Paper Jobs. Thank you.